Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys phone button layout setting in our Tecno phone guys. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you remove guys your button layout. As you want to remove guys your button layout setting guys, this three button guys, you want to remove it, and guys you want to delete guys. So guys how can you delete it? In this video guys I am going to show you guys. And guys how can you use guys your gesture buttons, guys gesture setting in your Tecno phone. In this video guys I will show you. So friend, first of all guys we will on our phone setting to delete this, and guys remove this button layout. So guys scroll it, and guys click on guys your phone system setting, and guys click on your system navigation setting. Then guys you can see guys there are gesture navigation setting, means guys three button setting guys you want to remove. So guys tap here, then guys the three button will remove in your Tecno phone. Then guys you cannot use guys your button setting, as you will have to use guys your gesture settings. So guys you can use guys your gesture setting, left and right side guys you can back, and guys you can close app from here. So like that guys you can remove your three button navigation guys, you don't like your button settings. So guys you can set guys this gesture settings. So like that guys you can remove it. So I hope friends you have understood. So that's it guys, thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic guys. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.